Hey guys, welcome back. I have done a couple of things since we last met. So first off, this is 67% complete. I think I need to refill this though. Yeah, I accidentally let it run out. But that's fine. We'll just relight it and it'll be on its way again. I think there might only be like one or two more refills of charcoal after that one. Oh, I am kind of running low. I don't have a batch of charcoal cooking, so maybe I can do that. Anyways, I think I showed you guys I started cooking up 5 what are they called? Loomers, I think, with iron. So I refined all of those. Yeah, and then also I had like a streak of the windmill being super fast, so I just decided to, you know what, let's just grind down all of my materials that I gathered. So I did a bit of crushed quartz. I used up some of it for more the bricks. Can't remember the exact name of it. And then crushed olivine as well. I mined up some more. I went back to that mountain and dug up some more of the quartz, and there was olivine like right next to it, so I decided to dig up some of it. Also, a bunch of crushed bauxite there. That's about it. So let's see. Unfired refractory bricks. Yeah, okay. So I think I placed them in here. Yeah, there we go. So I have a stack plus 4. I might have more cooking in my fire pits. Not completely sure. Maybe not. Or maybe they've just finished. They've just finished. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so my goal today is then build the what's it called? Beehive Kiln. And to do that, I need all the like metal stuff for it. I don't have. Actually, before we do all of that, I'm gonna go start another fire pit if I can, or a charcoal pit. So I will need one piece of grass. And I have my axe on me, so we should be good to go. Okay, but just take all of those and to convert them. Let's do one stack of oak. Okay, what was I saying? Okay, yeah, I remember it now. Yeah, so the beehive kiln will require can I do that? No, I think it needs to be on top of stack. So let me get like a couple more pieces of wood. there we go. Okay, another semi-small one. Okay, but the Beehive Kiln, let's get to it. It'll require like metal parts, so 3 iron door or iron hatches. We'll need a kiln door as well. So let's just search up the Beehive Kiln. I think it'll say... Yeah, the kiln door. So how does one make that? Gonna make the tier 1. So we need 12 refractory bricks. We need, what's that, 4 iron rods and 4 nails and strips. I think it has to be iron or steel, yeah, some kind of iron. Okay, is it 1 ingot per rod? So this is then like 5 iron ingots. And these ones are 4 each, so 12. So 12 plus, we're gonna need 17. Okay, we do have enough, but that's quite expensive, if I'm being honest. Now, 12 of those, we're going towards the hatch. So let's make plates first, and let's hope for good wind. I might have the gear up top where the pulverizer is. Yeah, okay. That did not sound very promising. That sounded kind of slow. Oh, hello. Alright, it is extremely slow. That's unfortunate. Okay, that's extremely unfortunate. But I'll have to make do anyhow. So I think we can heat up 4 at a time with 1 piece of charcoal, so it's quite fuel efficient when it comes to turning ingots into plates. But I think I'm probably gonna have to waste a lot of durability on my hammer to get this done, since there's no wind. Once I've actually like built the blacksmith, I kind of want to incorporate into it the design to allow me to make like a large gear, so I can hook up multiple sails. Yeah, that should increase, or maybe like multiple sails or multiple hammers. I'm not sure what the optimal thing to do is, but we'll get to that eventually. But that's the plan anyhow, to get like a large gear and the blacksmith is up and running. Okay, this is gonna be a bit of a grind, so let me get to it. Okay, it's starting to pick up. You know what? I had this idea come to my head. I should probably work these while they're still hot. Because I don't know if you can add multiple plates in here to heat them up, so it's probably a good idea to work them into, well, the thing that we need, the iron hatch. So I think I kind of did those prematurely, heated those up, but that's fine. Okay, that wasn't bad at all, so let's quickly do this one as well. Oops. Alright, let's see if I can still work these. Yeah, I probably have time for it. Alright, perfect. The hatches are done. I don't think I'll need that, so I'm gonna pause it. If I do need it, I'll just place it back. Okay, so I am not totally sure about the rods and how to make them. I think I've made one rod previously for the fruit press, but that's it. So I don't exactly remember, but the nails, if I do remember correctly, they make 4 per ingot, so it should only need or require 1 ingot. Okay, so let's start with the nails. Yeah, okay, so the iron rod says it requires 1 ingot, so we should be fine with these 5. What? How do you do that? Wait, what? Wait, what? Why does it do that? It's weird. Okay, focus up. I don't have infinite amount of time to do this. Oh, okay, I was too late. If I'm being honest, I don't think I'm doing this. Well, maybe. Okay, I found a good rhythm to it. So if you just get all the voxels to fill out, and then you can just fill out the empty spaces from like the side, then you can just pull the side ones in. So kind of like this. Just rotate it and get all of them in place. It might be a bit wasteful on the hammer durability, but it's quite fast if you need like time efficiency rather than hammer durability efficiency. Alright, perfect. I think that's it. Yeah, so let's go cool these down and be wary of mobs as well. I'll be aware of the hot items as well, since I don't have... Oh, that scared me. I don't have my tongs on me, so let's try and avoid getting my hands burnt. Ah, these pesky nails. Okay, perfect. So, okay, we should have everything now, so let's start by making this door. I think it was 4. It might have been 3. No, it was 4. Okay. So that's done. Now, I'll need 9 gratings. I think the gratings were made this way. Yep. Okay, so 9. Oh, the final one as well. Ah, they don't stack. That's whack. Okay, is there anything else before I commit to like making... Oh, that's not how you spell beehive. Refractory, kiln door, bricks, brick gratings, iron hatch door. Fireclay bricks can be used, but they're worse than the refractory bricks. Okay, I think I do have everything, so let's gather everything up, and I'm not totally sure how many of these bricks you will need. But I'm gonna make it so that I have like, I don't know, a couple on me. Maybe like 32, sure. Let's begin with 32. I might not have enough even. I might have to make more. I can't remember, did I use like 50 on the other one? On my cementation furnace. Okay, we slept in a bit. Clock's 11 AM. Ouch. Okay, so I mean we have this here, so I'm thinking let's place the other one here as well. I think I place the gratings like on top of the grass. Let's leave. I don't know, let's leave. Let's say I have walls there. Probably need those here, right? Okay, let's try it. Okay, I'm not sure exactly what I have to do to trigger the blueprint. Place the door and then okay. I guess I'll have the door here. Control click. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Perfect. I'm not sure why there are red bricks here. Before I fire this thing, I'm probably gonna look up like an image of some sort. Wow, somebody else has done it just to make sure I don't like blow this thing in the air. Okay, so it seems like they kind of compare in brick usage. Where's this Bowthorn? I'm gonna go take care of him. I don't. Yeah, no, I don't have enough. That's unfortunate. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to grind more fire clay. I'm like completely out. I have like 40 down in the basement in my storage room. But even that, I don't think is gonna get me to this, and I'm completely out of flint as well. So I guess we're gonna have to leave it a bit. Whoa! Wait, that's so cool. That's such a cool block. Wow. Okay, dope. Okay, I kind of wish I placed it further out. Can I? Can I break this? I can. Can I break? Can I break these? Okay, I can. Okay, well, that's good to know. I'm probably gonna move this as well. Maybe like 1 or 2 blocks over. Just for ease of use. Anyways, I'm gonna have to leave it off here, unfortunately. I would have liked to finish this today, but no, that's just how it is sometimes. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.